What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another episode, and today we're just going to be going over pretty much my mounts. As you guys don't know, but we'll see right now, these mounts are pretty much going out like with no effort. They shake pretty easy, and I do feel it while driving. It might not look that bad in video, but I feel it. Plus, to make it worse, that knob is shot, so the shift linkage boot or bushing needs to go as well. And to fix that, I've actually got some OEM mounts, and I ordered some polyurethane mount inserts now. I'll be showing you guys right now what I got, getting a description for it, and then I'll be putting up a picture of the mounts where I ordered them on eBay from. And then what I'm also going to be doing is for the polyurethane inserts, I got those off Rock Auto, and I'll be putting the listing up right here. Just so you guys can, if you're interested, get them yourself. And I did already open up the box just to make sure I got everything I needed. Came in a couple days ago. First thing is, it's just the energy suspension bushing, in case anybody needs the part number. And this just comes with both bushings. Nice new, comes with some, I'm guessing, instructions. Yeah. Now I have replaced these shift linkage bushings already. After I did the tear down and rebuild with the Synchrotech parts provided by Tall Pines Racing. Guys, go check them out. So yeah, I do know how to do these, real easy, real simple. Good bushings. But I'm guessing maybe because of the mounts and due to the fact that my cat is gutted, it's getting too hot. So they might have melted, disformed something, but I know they're bad. So I'll show you guys what's up with them later. And this is the package from eBay. I just kind of threw them in there. Like I said, it was already open. It's actually all 5 pieces, engine mount, pretty much kit is what they called it. Here's the item numbers. Alright, so first one we're going to go with is right here. Okay, it doesn't say, but open it up. And what looks to be one of the torque mounts, either on the driver's side or passenger side. I believe this is on the passenger side, but we'll verify that later. So there's one, and we just got this one. It didn't come with the box. I don't know why, but yeah, look at same thing. See, so you'll tell one of them has an actual bigger bolt hole, which like I said, I believe this is going to be the passenger side, just because it's going to be riding on like that AC bracket. So just let me get this part verified first. Then we got this one right here. This is the lower rear mount. Now, like I said, they're all just OEM. Something to replace them, even if they're not bad. If I find out it's only maybe 1 or 2 of them that's bad. I know the passenger side torque mount is bad from doing the transmission rebuild. But if it's just 1 or 2, it's fine. I'd rather have them all new than half new, half used, And this one right here looks like it's on the actual transmission side. Yeah, and they're just OEM replacements, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. The car is still pretty much stock. I do kind of drive it aggressive every now and then though, so I do want to make sure that it feels good. The power gets to the ground because sometimes it does chirp a little. And then this one we have just the engine side mount, or driver's side. See, it's OEM replacement. Now, here we have another energy suspension. You guys can see the part number right there. mount and everything, mount kit. I'll do all this for you guys. Like I said, everything except for this kit I got off eBay. Should be everything you need. Looks like there's one insert, two inserts, another set, one last set, and then what these look to be, one, two, I'm probably missing some. For those instructions, there's a set number. It gives you a quick little safety warning. Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. And now it does says it will only be the 2 torque mounts, so 1, 2, and then the third for that T-bracket. Alright, and then right there, this section right here. It does say we may need to modify them just because there are different makers of OEM mounts. Now to start, we are going to do the torque mounts first. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I believe these are just to hold it in place during installation. So like it has holes right here and right there. Just sliding it through on each side. So it kind of seals it through. And these look like some type of like little zip tie tab. So that would just hold the pressure. Now, if you look carefully, one of these is thicker than the other. Now to me it is obvious that it will be fitting on this higher side. So to start it, I'm just going to line it up. You just really watch these grooves right here, and they should match pretty close to these right here. So this one looks almost perfect. Just push it down. It's really not hard at all, but as you can see, there's that lip right here. So that's probably where it's modification. I'll probably just get my Dremel, cut it out a little bit, and we'll check this side, which is probably going to be the same thing. Yeah. But as you guys can see, they sit pretty flush. So it's just going to be shaving that down so we know that one's paired. What's next? What I believe to be the passenger side torque mount. And these kind of have the same shape, so no, I'm guessing that's going to be the T-bracket mount, and this one will go right here. Yeah, and same thing, these are going to need to be shaved right here. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now what I believe these are going to be for is maybe you know, stick them through right there, and like I said, clamp it. I'm not going to be doing that. I mean, well, maybe just to cut it and shape it, or to get the right measurements for it, but right now I'm just trying to make sure that everything fits. And T-bracket right here. So this one right here. Okay, so it doesn't even actually look like these are the right ones, because if you look, they're almost completely off. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is shave this down. This might fit. No, if you guys can see on the side, it doesn't even want to. It kind of goes. So these are definitely gonna need some modification. Okay guys, so it's no big deal, but I've actually was trying to see if these are reusable, if they're a one-time thing. And yeah, it's just like a zip tie one-time thing. So to make it easier, you know, it's not coming off. This is way more than enough needed. So I'm just gonna clip it. Pull the tap it and we're good. So that's if I use these. I don't think I will, but you know, you never know. So alright. So we'll start with the easier sets first, which would be these 2 torque mounts. and then work our way up to this T-bracket mount right here. Alright, so guys, now I'm back. I got my Dremel set up, ready to use, mounts ready, and to start, it's pretty easy. I'm just going to line it up and put almost no pressure so it's flush, and just mark the black Sharpie. I probably should have picked another color, but I'm not sure where they're at right now. If you guys could see those, there's 2 marks under my fingers there that I'm going to be shaving around till. And with that, that should line up perfectly with this lip right there. Alright, so let's get started.
Yeah. Look, got the claw to the jaw, leaving them in awe. When I spit the raw, I be spitting up that ICHIBAN. Break them off in the halls and I kill them all. I be running shit, people calling me the killer dime. Rule them out, everybody school them now. I be spitting up that heat, they try to cool me down. Keep them coming, we be mobbing in the city now. I be growing and the flow be getting gritty now. A+ player, man, it's easy to me. The name is J-A-Y and the B is to me. I'ma tell these fucking people what they seeing in me. And your girl can get the detail, she ain't breathing to me. Whoa, in the zone, bar spitting to the dome. E.T. tryna phone home, homie losing all his chromosomes. Setting traps like I'm home alone. Let a dummy pull up on me, I'll be shooting and your homie gone.
Got the claw to the jaw, leaving him in awe. When I spit the raw, I'll be spitting up to the ICHIBAN. Got the claw to the jaw, leaving him in awe. When I spit the raw, I'll be spitting up to the ICHIBAN.
Bitch. Keep it raw, break the law, leave your bitch in awe. Spit the woo-ha, ooh-sa, then I cool off. You don't get it cause you're too young, too dumb. My shit banging like I'm playing on 2 drums. Shit, I got the blood of the Aztecs. Like my bitch real, I ain't fucking with the plastic. Erg on the track, everybody gon' blast it.
Alright, so for a quick update, as you guys can see, it presses in, but if you look at the top right here, there's a little gap. That's why I'm gonna be shaving up top. And the bottom, same thing, so I'm gonna be widening this out some more.
You saying better stay up in your section. Little bitch rappers, yo, I eat those for breakfast. Soon as I drop Erg, where is your next shit?
Got the claw to the jaw, leaving him in awe. When I spit the raw, I'll be spitting up to the ICHIBAN. Got the claw to the jaw, leaving him in awe. When I spit the raw, I'll be spitting up to the ICHIBAN.
This is what it is, okay? I said empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be
Alright, you guys, as you can see now, it's pretty flush. Nothing that the actual vehicle itself won't handle. Oh, actually, never mind. That's what these are for. Because the vehicle doesn't have a sleeve around them. So it does need these. See them? And that'll hold it flush. Okay, now it makes sense why there's only 2. But that one's done. I'm sure you guys don't want to see me do that to a bunch of other mounts. So I'll come back to you when I'm done.